Oh, speaking of which, Sony is trying to stop the Microsoft, Activision, Blizzard merger in the UK. They're like, you can't merge it, because then Call of Duty might be an exclusive and we can't lose that. No, EU, stop this. Monopoly and such. And I'm like, hey, you want to give us God of War and Spider-Man on the Xbox? How about that? Horizon Zero Dawn, perhaps, on the Xbox. Gravity Rush on the Xbox. You guys ain't doing anything with it. Yeah. So that's what I thought. Sony's like, it's going to be a monopoly. We can't have this. No. We can't have Call of Duty become an exclusive to the Xbox. So now you're against exclusives? Come on. Fair's fair, bro. Not for nothing, Sony was they were the marketplace leader. Even Nintendo was so far behind them. It was PlayStation. You wanted a game, you went to PlayStation. And then Microsoft came in, But the problem is Sony rested on their laurels. We have all the exclusives. We are Sony. We can do incremental improvements and people will be fine with it. We're going to take the Nintendo approach, And I can't even comment as if the PS5 is an impressive piece of machinery or not, because I haven't had a chance to get a hold of one. Okay. I have a Series X, I think. The one that looks like a cube. Okay. I feel like Pinhead is going to show up and it's like, would you like to play? And I'm like, maybe. No, it looks like that weird Pinhead box, frankly. You open the box. Now we play. Okay. I get to be Chun-Li. No. But I like Chun-Li. Mostly for the thighs. I think I'm going to have to buy Street Fighter 6 merely for the thickness of it all. Okay? And there better be DLC to make those thighs even bigger. Just saying. I appreciate the human form.